So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
Very good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai, alhamdulillah. And Tahir bhai, there was another news which you were feeling sad that Shaheen Afridi has been brought back for the West Indies test and he was dropped from the previous test series that Pakistan played against South Africa. What do you say about this?
Akib, to be honest, I think the inclusion of Shaheen Afridi is very devastating for me because I think it was very good that PCB has given him rest, but he has brought back into the team very quickly. I think he should need some more rest and he should play some side cricket more to gain his pace and line length back. Look at in his past few matches, he was losing his pace at consistent rate. So Akib, I think it's a bit early to include him in the side, but I think it's the decision of management. But I think management should review its decision because other players are performing exceptionally well in the bowling as well. So I think if they haven't included the Shaheen, now the responsibility lies on the shoulders of the Shaheen. He should have to prove its inclusion in the team.
And Tahir bhai, don't you think he should have played in South Africa where condition would suit him and they are playing him on dead pitches in Multan?
Yes, Akib, I was also amazed on that decision. That's why he wasn't included in the South African Test Series playing 11. So I think if Shaheen could be in that team, the decision could be more in the favor of Pakistani team, right?
Yes.
Because Abbas was performing on the other hand, he wasn't getting any sort of luck or any sort of joining hand with him to who could wrap up the innings in a wonderful way. So I think Akib Shaheen, if wasn't included in that squad, in the upcoming squad, Shaheen should also be taken rest.
And Tahir bhai, you were talking about Fakhar Zaman. He was in the even though Saim Ayub had replaced him in the one-day team, but Fakhar Zaman was still praising Saim Ayub that he's the future star of Pakistan. What does this say, Tahir bhai? Considering Fakhar is out of the team,
Akib, now I think one opportunity you lose, other opportunity opens, right?
Yes.
If Saim is injured now, I think it will be the responsibility or will be on the shoulder of PCB to include the Fakhar in the side. Because without inclusion of Fakhar, there is no other opportunity. We don't have any other option who could replace the Saim Ayub.
Quickly also.
So I think with bulky heart, our management will include the Fakhar in the upcoming series. I'm just predicting you.
And Tahir bhai, lastly, what about Tamim Iqbal retirement? Yesterday we shared the news. Bangladeshi, another superstar.
Tamim Iqbal, what a wonderful name it was. Akib, he was also a very versatile batsman in the Bangladeshi team, but I think I wish him best of luck for his upcoming life, so he should glow his more. Because Akib, at one day you have to take retirement, right?
Tahir bhai earlier retired once a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
The government stopped him from retiring. Do you think this will happen again?
I think it's a political intervention that which took him to take the retirement from the international series. I think it's a very sad end for him. Bangladeshi board should take some serious action against the reason why which motivated him to take retirement. I think he had some cricket left inside him as well.
Tahir bhai, thank you so much, Prime. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you in another video, sir. That's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to Sports. Yes, more content like this. Till then, it is goodbye from me and Tahir bhai. Take good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.